Hello mga higala! For this video, I will be sharing my coffee bars recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup granulated white sugar, 1/2 cup Bravo melted butter, 3 tablespoon instant coffee powder, 2 pieces eggs, and some Barrios dark chocolate chips. Let's start. So in your bowl, mix first your dry ingredients, your flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and your coffee powder. Then make a well at the center, mixing your melted butter, eggs. Change to your rubber scraper once matigas na yung mixture. Then, get your baking pan. This is 8 by 8 by 2 inches baking pan lined with aluminum foil. Then spread. Once na-spread mo na, get your Barrios chocolate chips. Tapos, sprinkle on top. Then, bake this one around 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go! Our coffee bars is baked. Medyo malamig na siya, so let's cut. Coffee bars. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasa, Green, Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!